Okay, this time we are logged in. So today you are going to sell GoPro at this price 44 and 10 cents. Okay, so those that they bought the day before at 41.58 or covered the short position at that price or below, as I said on that same day in the morning, today you sell at this price 44 and 10 cents, and by doing so you see that you continue making profits on both sides of the market with 100% accuracy every single day, my friends. Every single day, more than $100,000 net profit, as I've been saying. And this is extraordinarily simple. You just need one stock to trade in the stock market, nothing else. And so what I'm going to do here is to click on annotate, and you see that we create GoPro IPO stock history since the very beginning. So this was the pivot day before, and today I'm going to put here the live trade alert that was given, the 41 and 10 cents. In fact, the price was at 44 and 20 cents. Okay, so here you have, and this blue, if you cover it here, and I click here on upload, and here you have the real-time code in GoPro, basically 44 and 20 cents. So this time around we sold the long position GoPro below the price or those prices of the previous days, the 45 and the 40 cents, and then the 45 and 20 cents, as you'll remember, as well as then the 47 and 20 cents and the 49 and the 40 cents. This to say that we don't need the stock or the share price to go to 46 or to $45 or to 47 again to make a very large profit, as demonstrated today, again following profit-taking rules. Every single day we have been demonstrating the past, at least in the past 3 days, the use of profit-taking rules on both sides of the market, while before it was a swing long position from that $29.5 all the way up to $47.20 at least. Okay, thank you. So my dear friends, today I'm going to explain how we basically made $2 million in a matter of 48 hours following the guidelines, and the guidelines, they have been available for free in our blog, Stock Market Live blog. Regarding this stock, Netflix, precisely once Goldman Sachs announced an upgrade in Netflix at $470 plus, we were selling the stock to Goldman Sachs customers, and we are very happy because in a matter of 48 hours the stock plunged $30 per share, as you can see, and today the stock already traded below $440. So $30 per share in a matter of 48 hours. And where do you find this information? Well, very simple. You just visit our blog, Stock Market Live blog, and if you click here, stock prices can be predicted live demonstration, and you have here Vieira trading software predicts stock prices and proves it. You can see here the mathematical evidence. But if you click on this stock prices can be predicted live demonstration, here I offered several free lessons on several subjects. Never listen to stock analysts investing in Netflix. This is 7 minutes
Hello,
long,
friends. Today
and as you can see, the stock, it was $472 precisely on Goldman Sachs upgrade. And this corresponds to the price that we start to unload long positions in Netflix. So then I explain why you should never follow Wall Street analysts. And because we have been correct about all this for 20 consecutive years. And here also I mentioned the case of the IPO GoPro. That you can find here. The stock was trading at 45.5, and every single day I've been announcing the top and the bottom in GoPro. Therefore, in a matter of basically 1 week, at least customers with sufficient capital, they have had the opportunity, as you can see on the reviews, to make $1 or $2 million net profit without any risk whatsoever. And finally, you find here 41 minutes extensive explanation why you should not ever listen to experts and stock gurus. And it is here 41 minutes for everyone to learn about how to invest in the stock market. Bear in mind that today you have, I'm going to show you the chart just for you to visualize how we do it this every single day. Today you had, yesterday I made an announcement in GoPro, one more, at $44.10, and today the top it was a little bit above that, and the stock sold off all the way down to $42. So every single day since IPO, the first day, I have been announcing the top of the day and the bottom of the day in an IPO where I already told you that technical analysis it is useless, and therefore claiming what is already a mathematical evidence in the past 20 years that technical analysis it is death, and scam American scam investors, and in fact salesmen, they are not investors, they are salesmen, snake oil salesman like Ralph Campora, an American scam that he has been exploiting this technical analysis scam for decades. And called the father of technical analysis. The Americans, they call this scam the father of technical analysis, an individual that is unable to predict stock prices with an accuracy 100%. And where you find this, as I explained, then the mathematical evidence that stock prices they can be predicted, you can easily make, as I announced, $100,000 net profit just in GoPro daily. I repeat, daily. You can find it here in Vieira trading software predicts stock prices and proves it. Usually if you click, you just have to follow the guidelines, and here you have some reviews. This post from my colleague is quite extensive, and if you play here, this is 25 minutes, and here I explain with live calls, live trading, all the pivots in GoPro that we have been discussing and defining here. So you see here that I defined all the pivots in GoPro with 100% accuracy. So every single day I announce this, and again I repeat that yesterday it was one more day where I announced the top in GoPro intraday, and again making a very good profit on long side, and from yesterday and today on the short side. So every single day, my friends, there are no excuses whatsoever other than to American scam investors that one cannot in fact predict stock prices, because stock prices they can be predicted with an accuracy near 100% in IPOs, that is stocks without any past history, and the technical analysis is completely useless. And bear in mind, these are just two calls that I made recently in the market. And we have been discussing here more than 100 stocks and ETFs, and every single call in the market that we made had a profound impact. So I think that you should continue visiting our blog, because you can see that there is a huge return on investment, even if you do not purchase any service. This information is priceless, and you don't find it anywhere else in the world. And I'm referring to the demonstration live that stock prices can be in fact predicted, with live lessons, namely recommendations not to listen to stock analysts, and in fact giving several examples on 3 videos, the GoPro, the other one here extensive 41 minutes, and finally here I think a very important one, that in fact it is also a result of a case study that I already announced and published around 2 months ago, calling 309, the important sell-off in Netflix, the $440 or 445 all the way down to 309, and then the very important rally with up to this price $472 on the day that Goldman Sachs decided to upgrade Netflix, while 2 years or 3 years ago all these scam analysts in Wall Street, they were calling Netflix a dog, and I was saying that Netflix was the #1 stock to invest on long-term basis, a stock that gained 1000% return on investment. Thank you.